Good morning, students, and welcome to Science 1 with me, Teacher Zach. Let's review prepositions. The mouse is behind the box. The mouse is above or on the box. The mouse is under. The ball goes through. Repeat after me. Through. Does light go through the material? Yes or no? How can we test this? An easy way of knowing if light goes through a material is, can you see through it? Can you see through it? Can you see through the glass? Yes or no? Yes. Does light go through the glass? Yes or no? Yes. When light blank go through an object. So we look. Light can or can't go through the object. Can. When light can go through an object, the object is, our new vocabulary is transparent. Transparent. Question. Does light go through the glass fish bowl? It's glass. Can you see the fish through the glass? Yes. The fish bowl is, our vocabulary word was transparent. Light can go through the glass. Can you see through a book? Can you see her eyes through the book? No. So, does light go through a book? No. Light can't go through objects. Is it transparent, like glass? No. We say opaque. Opaque. Repeat after me. Light can't go through opaque objects. Does light go through you? No. Are humans transparent? Humans are opaque. Humans are opaque. How do we know we are opaque? Does anyone know what this is? We cast shadows. Repeat after me. Cast shadows. We cast shadows. When we look at this diagram, we see number 1 is, from our last lesson, a luminous object. Luminous object. The light shines this way onto transparent or opaque. If you said opaque, you were correct. So, our luminous object shines light onto the opaque object, which leaves a shadow. We need the light, the opaque object, to make a shadow. The shadow is on what we call a screen. So, the blank object casts a blank on the screen. The opaque object casts a shadow on the screen. Here we have a light. Light go through transparent objects. Do you think can or can't? Can. Light can go through transparent objects. The object is transparent. This is a backpack. Can you see through a backpack? Does light go through a backpack? The backpack is opaque. Light go through opaque objects. Can or can't? Light can't go through opaque objects. Can light go through? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 coming through. Yes, but only light can go through the material. See how there's 4 and only 2 that go through. 2 is less than 4. What we say in English is some. Some light can go through the material. Some. This new word is translucent. Translucent. So, just like you would guess, translucent starts with a T. R. A. N. S. L U translucent C E N T translucent object. Some light can go through the material. For example, can you see through this material? A little. Can you see the trees? No. Can you see the guardrail? Yes. So we say some light can go through an object. Again, these materials are transparent, translucent, or opaque. These materials are translucent. Here we have a window. This window is made of clear glass. Does the light go through the window? Yes. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? We say transparent. Transparent. Next, here we have sunglasses. Sunglasses do not let all the light through. They only let some light through. We call these translucent. Translucent. And finally, a backpack. We cannot see through, and no light goes through the object. So, transparent, translucent, opaque. Let's look at this material. What material is it? Fabric. Fabric can be translucent. We cannot see through clearly. Only some light goes through. Again, this material, is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? First, what material is this? Plastic. Plastic can be, not always, but can be, translucent. Plastic can be translucent. Next, this material can be translucent as well. For example, we call it tissue paper. It can be translucent. Okay, so let's review. Here we have the object is, we have three choices. Number 1, transparent, translucent, or opaque. Transparent, translucent, or opaque. Transparent, translucent, or opaque. Transparent. We can see through clearly. Translucent. Some light goes through the object. And opaque. No light goes through the object. Again, let's look at our three options. Number 3 is opaque. It's an opaque object. Number 2, some light goes through. We say translucent. And number 1, only one option left, transparent. So we have transparent, translucent, and opaque. This image again will show us here in transparent. Blank light passes through. We can see clearly through the glass window. Some, no, all. All light passes through. Repeat after me. In transparent objects, all light passes through. In translucent objects, some light passes through. And in opaque objects, no light passes through. Transparent, all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All light passes through. Translucent, some. 1, 2, 3, 4, but only 2. Some light passes through. Opaque, no light passes through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. No light passes through. Thank you.